Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be talking about stopping this complicating manifestation crap that I'm seeing everywhere in the community. We need to talk about it. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would absolutely love it to have you here. If you would like to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course or my Perfect Self-Concept course, book one-on-one coaching, or join collective coaching, go on ritakaminski.com. All of the information is there, or you can simply click on the links in the description box below for any of the services that are interesting and applicable to you. So I saw this post on my Facebook group, which you can also join by clicking the link in the description box down below. One of my subscribers asked in the community what they think of this specific comment, and reading the comment almost gave me an aneurysm. You are not manifesting something outside of you, you are changing yourself. Therefore, affirming about someone else is pointless. You won't get your SP if you don't change yourself. Manifesting is about you and you only. You don't change others. You cannot change others. You change yourself, and they and the world respond to you. Not that that comment didn't make sense, but I've really gotten to a point where enough is enough, and I want to make it as simple as possible for myself and for my subscribers. Whether you agree or not doesn't really matter. The point is that we are sitting on groups and on the internet debating and pontificating about what is the best way to manifest. And at the end of the day, we should just be manifesting. There's a difference between watching content online to inspire yourself and to surround yourself with people that understand law of assumption, and being in a confused, questioning state and thinking that there is a right way to manifest and a not right way to manifest. The reason why I post a lot of videos talking about a lot of different techniques is because there is no one size fits all approach. Every single person is different. Everyone has their own personalities, upbringings, energies, experiences, preferences, what have you. So it is my job to come on here and share all of the techniques that I have mostly tried and they have worked for me, or techniques that I am confident are successful based on my research. This is not to confuse anybody. This is to give you options, right? But just because I am sharing a lot of techniques or giving you guys a lot of information, it does not mean that you have to do every single thing. This is a rule for my channel and for any content that you see about law of assumption. If it makes you feel like you're about to have an aneurysm, or you're thinking too deeply into something, or you're getting confused, or something just seems not light and bright and happy, it is not for you. Yes, experiment. Yes, try all of the techniques. Do the ones that are right for you. But that is exactly that. You are meant to be manifesting and not researching and being in questioning mode. I have been in the questioning mode, I have been researching, and it all comes down to simplicity. Know that you have what you want. If you cannot know it or believe it, repeat it, repeat it, repeat it. Whether you choose to simply decide and know that it's already done, live in the end, whatever, or consistently use repetition, or a mix of both like I do, what you need to be doing is being consistent. I've gotten to the point where I'm only manifesting for one thing and I'm only using one affirmation. I'm using sats in the evening because that is what feels right for me, and 2 to 3 times a day whenever I feel like it or I have time, I'm going to be in the end and decide and know and get into the feeling of having 1 million subscribers. But y'all, if you're reading all of these comments, you're going to get so confused. But I never dwelled in these kind of groups a lot, and I didn't take what they said too hard, too much, unless I tried it myself. To me, it just feels overly complicated. Self-concept, not self-concept, don't change anyone, everyone is you pushed out. All of these things are great, but at the end of the day, you want your SP. That's it. That is why a lot of you guys probably found out about law of assumption, right? So let's make it nice and simple. To manifest your SP, we are manifesting our SP. Working on your self-concept and focusing on yourself is a bonus. But if you are manifesting your SP, it's just common sense to manifest your SP. And what I would do is pick one affirmation and stick to it. And whenever you catch yourself doubting or thinking or wanting to research, you're using that energy instead to affirm. Don't practice non-reaction. Don't practice focusing on yourself. Pick one goal and stick to it, and do not let anyone else make you feel like you have to do a bunch of other stuff unless you are called to it, unless you are drawn to it. I understand that you want this person with your entire whole body, soul, energy, everything. I understand that. I empathize with that. But let's change our way of thinking into knowing that as long as I am affirming, I will manifest this SP. As long as I am staying disciplined, I will manifest my SP, and shut out all of the other noise unless it inspires you. The less information sometimes, the better. I only started adding more stuff to my manifesting routine when I tried one thing and I 100% with certainty knew that it worked for me and it changed my life. For example, SATs is part of my manifesting routine because I literally manifested 100,000 subscribers by using SATs. Whenever you read something that's too much, if it's not you just thinking that you have your manifestation, it's too much. We need to start getting a little bit strict with what we let in and what we're even questioning. Whenever you watch someone or read something, is it basically telling you that you can manifest anything that you want by just thinking that you have it, or by feeling or getting into the state where you have it? Both work. If that's not the case, let's not do it. Sometimes reading these questions, I feel like my subscribers are bending over backwards, or they're jumping through a lot of hoops and they're going through like a Google interview process, which is not necessary. Let's keep it as simple as possible. The simpler, the better. It all comes down to you thinking that you have your thing. Repeat it as much as possible. Saturate your mind with it. Be persistent, be disciplined. If you want it as bare bones and as simple as possible, what would I tell someone that is walking down the street right now about law of assumption? Consistently think in a way where you have your manifestation. And to you, I say, keep it even simpler. Use one affirmation, focus on one manifestation. If you're reverting to anything else, bring it back to that affirmation. It is your focal point. Snap yourself back. Don't flip the thoughts. Don't practice non-reaction. Don't follow your happiness. Just use that as a compass and snap yourself back like a magnet each time you're thinking anything that isn't your affirmation. Let's keep it as simple as possible. Strip everything away. Listen to the people that make you feel light, make you feel bright, and make you understand this in a simple way without you having to get out a journal and figure something out. Okay? You guys got this. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. For all of my services, go on ritakaminski.com. I've got an Amazon package waiting for cuticle oil. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye everyone.